Not sure if you can see the ripples in the flooring in this video. While we have the floor guys here, I'm going to have them sand and fix this threshold and this one too. That looks so terrible. That guy sanded all day long and he still has to get the dining room and the rest of the kitchen. Ooh, it's a lot of work. These are the colors that make up the dark walnut. There's black, red, maroon, and yellow. Ozzy, they still have some work to do. The color is uneven. You can see where the line is. And there's sander marks everywhere. It goes all the way around most of the edges. And the stairs have the same thing. I think they forgot to use the fine grade after they used the regular sandpaper because sand marks everywhere. Everywhere. I'm going over to 49 to meet Danny. Danny is one of the floor guys that works with Ozzy. The guys are getting ready to put another coat of polyurethane on the floor. And I noticed a lot of sander swirl marks that I want those taken out before they cover it up with polyurethane. So I'm going to meet Danny and we'll take a look at it. The stairs need attention. It's just sander swirls everywhere. And they have to be careful of the color because it's darker here. You can see the line. The color is completely uneven in between these spindles. The dining room looks pretty darn good. There's not much in here. Just a little bit, like a little bit right here and a little bit in this corner of sander marks. The front hall looks pretty darn good. I didn't mark it, but there's some sand marks here. And there's some big sand marks right here. All right, so the guys are addressing the swirl marks. They're just doing another sanding. As long as they address the swirls and the variation in color, I'm fine with that. Same on the stairs. These are the first set of steps, the entrance steps. The color's a little blotchy there. There's still that blotchiness, a little color variation in between these spindles. This is the second set of steps going up to the attic, and they look good. All right, there's a little funny mark right there. If you can put polyurethane over that to smooth it out, hopefully that will take care of it. Danny asked that we not step on the floors until his boss comes to see it. So this is all I can see, which is like the line of the kitchen, but I'm not too happy with that color right there. That is not looking too good. Look at that. Ugh. The color is still not even in between these spindles. Oh boy, I gotta move in this house. Here I can still see some sanding swirls. This is the bottom step that goes up to the attic. And it's got something got underneath the polyurethane, I guess, and is stuck on there. What is that? Other than that, from what I can see, looks like all the swirl marks are out of the stairs and they're looking pretty good. Here's the final sanding and final coat of polyurethane. I'm heading over to 49 for the final walkthrough with the flooring guys. Look at the difference of the floors. They look stunning and all the bumps are out. Look at the difference.